Hi, look what I got today. Got some different cars other than Hot Wheels. M2, maybe you know about these. This is a cool Camaro. I'm not going to collect hundreds of these. I just like them and I wanted to get them and open them and check them out and play with them. This one I might leave in the box because it's like a kind of like a diorama thing, you know. There's a guy and a girl there, a Chevelle, and I like how it has a chrome wheel on the front and not on the back, you know. When we used to buy them, we couldn't afford 4 at once, so we'd just get them on the back first or something. But some people get them on the front first. Heavy Chevy, stay groovy. M2. They have some sets like this with a lift too. I'm going to get one of them. It's like a lift, and it has different tires and wheels. M2. Then Johnny Lightning was always cool. Look at that. Challenger. I want to get a real Challenger. I do. I have a Hot Wheels over there, Challenger. It looks like it comes with a metal tin to store it in. That's neat, isn't it? Going through my 4th childhood, if you don't mind. But I wanted to share them with you before I opened them. And here's an Auto World Corvette. This says true 164 scale. Like maybe Hot Wheels aren't, I don't know. But they're 164 or 165 scale. Then I got this M2 crane cams, cool van, you know, like a party van. And I got 2 of those because I always liked these vans back in the 60s and 70s. And they'd fix them up and make them into party vans or hot rod vans, you know. I got 2 because I'm going to leave one in there, and one I'm going to open and I'm going to paint it myself. Might strip off the paint and paint it and buff it up or do something, you know. It's just a fun thing I like to do lately. First I want to open, should I open all these for you? I don't want to bore you. Well, this one I'm not going to open. Oh, these are the Hot Wheels mystery models that I got last week. I got 2 more of them. Alright. And Skippy told me there's a code on these where you fold this back and you can see a number, but I don't see one, Skippy. Like 8 of 10 or 1 of 10, so you don't get doubles, you know. Because last week I got 2 doubles, and remember? I'm going to open these quick at the end. First thing I'm going to tear open this RS Camaro, 69 Camaro. I'll try to do this quick for you so I don't bore you to death. Ooh, it opened nice. Aren't these nice? This is like, you know, you can go buy whatever car you want, like a fantasy, right? Doors don't open. Does the hood open? No, the hood doesn't open. Does it? Where's my knife? Looks like it should open, doesn't it? That's held in with 2 Phillips screws. I'll open that later. Open this cool van. M2. Do you collect M2s too? They're so cool. And I'd go and look at Hot Wheels and I'd see these there and I'm like, nah, you know, but lately I've been liking them. That's pretty nice. That's also mounted with 2 Phillips screws. Let's just unscrew that. See how the wheels work and everything. Oh, heavy, nice. I like it. A little detail on the bottom. What else does it say? It says 6440 Econoline. I had a 73 Econoline, a green one with a sliding door on the side with no windows. Oh, that was fun. That was too much fun, that van. I don't know if you remember, but oh, lots of fun. This is cool. What else we got? Oh, my favorite. This. Oh yeah, it says storage tin. Okay, Johnny Lightning. I used to have Johnny Lightning cars back in the 60s. I really want to get one of these Challengers. Neat. Check out this baby. Wow. Oh, it feels like Yeah, that's rubber tires. This one, oh, I didn't know. Oh, look at that. That's rubber tires too, compared to the Hot Wheels with plastic tires. Unless you get a treasure hunt. Nice, and that will go in here. Oh, I should have mentioned this is from Petty's Garage, see? You know why? Petty Blue, right? I'll take one just like that. 6-cylinder, I don't care. Beautiful. Hemi would be nice though. I'll open the vet. Auto World. True 164. Scale model, you know, like it's the 64th size of a real car. That's nice too. The wheels don't feel as... Oh, no, the wheels didn't feel right, see? Look at it. It's not even as good as the van. Smooth. Oh, that's not too good. How's my Challenger? Oh, that's a little slow too. Isn't that weird? You know, like the Hot Wheels go the best so far. Look at that. Van's good. The vet's slow. Huh. Alright. I had to share that with you. I'm going to open these mystery meats here. What do you think it is? You want to see it before me? Hope it's not a double. What is it? Is it nice? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So we got 3 of these now. Different store, different box. Alright, one more. I hope I don't got this one. Because remember last week I had doubles of both of these. Anybody want one of these? Go to Walmart and buy them for $1. Mystery bag. Come on. What is the chance of that? I got 4 of them. I got another one over there on the desk. I guess I'm not buying these anymore. But you can. You get a sticker. You saw last week. I got 2 of these. I got 2 of these last week. Or do I only have 3? No, I got 2 last week. Anyway. Is that funny or what? I forget what it is. What is it? Nissan or something? Oh, Amazon. How can I forget that? These. Oh, it's crazy, isn't it? Alright, I wanted to share these with you. My favorite one right now is... I like the van, believe it or not. And see how it's a little higher in the front? That's cool. But I might trade in my truck and get one of these. Any advice on that? They're so expensive, but the V6 is less expensive. I think you'll laugh at me if I have a V6. You think you will? But they're powerful too. I ain't gonna race nobody, you know? They're really nice. I don't like the Chargers because the cops ruin them. Because they look like cop cars now, you know? Alright, thanks for watching this. Check the link below. Get yourself some of these cool cars. That's neat, right? You can carry it around with me. Take it to work. Show my boyfriends. Talk to you later. What else? Did I miss anything? No. This I'm going to save in the box. This I'm going to save. I really do like how it's got a different wheel on it. That is groovy. That's nice. Oh, it got a guy and a cool girl there, of course. Stay groovy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Time to eat. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake. That just happened.